Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your primary residential mortgage. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to google.com. Now on the Google search bar, search for primary residential mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the login portal of primary mortgage. So go ahead and write down your email address and your password. Then hit click in. This way you can sign into your account. Let me show it to you once again. Search for primary residential mortgage and click on the first link which appears on your screen. Write down your email address and your password, then hit the sign in button. If you have any kind of problems about signing in, click on this link and then your problems might be solved. If you want to create a new account, click sign up, write down your personal details and then sign in or create an account for primary residential mortgage. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.